ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోలేదా? అయితే రెడ్ కలర్ లో ఉన్న సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ ని క్లిక్ చేసేయండి. బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడు మేము చేసే కార్యక్రమాలు ముందుగా మీరే చూడొచ్చు.
Hi friends, good evening to everyone. In previous class I have told you about trigonometry. Now I am going to tell you about statistics. So let's see. Statistics. How to find mean? There are 3 types to find mean. So let's see them. The first method is direct method. The second method is assume mean method. The third method is step deviation method. So let's see first how to do mean by direct method.
Now, how to do mean by direct method? Let's see it. The class intervals are given as follows: 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. And the frequencies are 2, 3, 7, 6, 6 and 6. The sum of frequency is 30. Now, to find mean by direct method, we need to add the columns x and fx.
Here height is 15. So we should add 15 to this number. It's 32.5. 32.5 plus 15 is 47.5. 47.5 plus 15 is 62.5. 62.5 plus 15 is 77.5. 77.5 plus 15 is 92.5. Like this we have to find the value of x. Now f into x. We should do f into x. 17.5 into 2 is 35.0. 32.5 into 3 it's 97.5. 47.5 into 7 it's 332.5. 62.5 into 6 it's 375.0. 77.5 into 6 it's 465.0. 92.5 into 6 it's 555.0. Now we will find mean by the direct method. Now for that the formula is sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fx is we should add the fx values, that is 1860. The sum of frequencies is 30. Now the mean is 62. The second method to find mean is assume mean method. The formula to find assumed mean is a plus sigma ft by sigma f. We apply this formula in a problem and we will do it. Now let's find mean. For this we need 3 extra columns. They are x, d and fd. Now x, d and fd. 3 extra columns we need to find mean. Now we have to add the frequency and write here. Sigma f is equal to 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 7 is 12 and the total frequency is 30. Now to find x we have to add the class intervals and divide it by 2. 10 plus 12 is 35. By 2 is 17.5. Now here the height is 15. So we should add 15 to each of the number. 17.5 plus 15 is 32.5. Plus 15 is 47.5. 47.5 plus 15 is 62.5. 62.5 plus 15 is 77.5. 77.5 plus 15 is 92.5. Now we know the x values. Now to find the d values, the formula is x minus a. X is these values. Now in these x values, we assume that any of the number as a. Now I am taking 47.5 as a. Now x minus a. X is this value. 17.5 minus 47.5 is minus 30. 32.5 minus 47.5 is minus 15. 47.5 minus 47.5 is 0. 47.5 minus 62.5 is 15. 47.5 minus 77.5 is 30. 92.5 minus 47.5 is 45. Now to find FD, we should multiply the value of F with D. Now minus 30 into 2 is minus 60. Minus 15 into 3 is minus 45. 0 into 7 is 0. 15 into 6 is 90. 30 into 6 is 180. 6 into 45 is 270. Now we have to add FD. The sum of FD is 435. Now we will find mean by applying formula. Mean is equal to A plus sigma FD by sigma F. Here the value of A is 47.5. Now we will write 47.5 plus FD is 435. F is 30. $14.5. 47.5 plus 14.5. 47.5 plus 14.5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 4, 5, 6. It's 62.0. We can take it as 62. So the mean is 62. Now the third method to find mean is step deviation method. The formula to find mean by step deviation method is A plus sigma FU by sigma F into H. By using this formula, we will do a problem. Now the class intervals are 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and the so on up to 70. Now the frequencies are 2, 3, 7, 6, 6 and 6. Now to find x value, we should add the class intervals and divide it by 2. 10 plus 20 is 30. By 2 is 15. So, I have said before to add the heights for each the value of x. 15 plus the height is 10. So, we should add 10. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 10, 55. Plus 10 is 65. Now, to find D, the formula is x minus a. X. In the values of x, we need to assume that any of the value as x. Now, I am taking 15 as a. X minus a. 15 minus 15 is 0. 25 minus 15 is 10. 35 minus 25 is 20. 30, 40 and 50. Now, to find u, we need to divide x minus a by h. Here we got x minus a value. So, we need to divide this value by height. 0 by 10 is 0. 10 by 10 is 1. 20 by 10 is 2. 30 by 10 is 3. 40 by 10 is 4. 50 by 10 is 5. In order to find fu, we need to multiply f and u. 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. 7 into 2, 14. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 5, 30. Now, the sum of fu is sigma fu is equal to 89. Now the sum of frequency is 30. Now we will find mean by step deviation method using a formula. Mean is equal to A plus sigma fu by sigma f into height. Here A is equal to 15 plus sigma fu is 89. Sigma f is 30 and height is 10. So 15 plus 10 into 89 is 890 by 30. This 0 get cancelled. 15 plus we divide 89 by 3. 29 29.66 and so on. So we take up to 29.67. Now 15 plus 29.67 is 67 plus 15. 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. 44.67. This problem will come in exam for 4 marks. So be thorough for this. The formula to find median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. In exam they can ask you to write the formula and expand each term in it. So we'll write the formula and expand each term in it. L is lower boundary of the median class. N is number of observations. And CF is cumulative frequency. F is the frequency. And finally H is the size of the median class. Or we can call it as height also. Based on this formula, we will do a problem. The class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Now the frequencies are 2, 5, 6, 9, 12, 4. Now the sum of frequencies is 38. Now we need to find median. For that we need one extra column, that is cumulative frequency, that is CF. To find cumulative frequency, we should add each of the following frequency. 2 plus 5 is, first write here 2. Then add each one to it. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 30. 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 plus 12 is 34. 34 plus 4 is 38. The sum of frequency and the last value of cumulative frequency should be equal. The sum of frequency is 38. So n becomes 38. 38 by 2. So n by 2 is 19. So we should see that 19 lies in which class? 19 lies in this class. So this becomes the model class. The upper part of model class becomes CF and the sign number beside the model class is F. The L value becomes 30 plus 30 by 2 is 30. So we write the values here. L is 30 plus 30 by 2 is 30. CF is 30, F is 19. So we will do the problem. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here H is 10. L is 30. 30 plus n by 2 is 90. Minus CF is 13. The frequency is 9. So 30 plus 19 minus 13 is 6. 6 into 10 is 60. 60 by 9. 30 plus 60 divided by 9 is 6.666. It goes on. So 30 plus 6.66 is 36.66. We can take it as, instead of writing 66, we can take it as 36.67. The formula to find mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So in exam, they can ask you to write the formula and explain each of the term in it. Now, L is equal to lower boundary. We are explaining each of the term. Lower boundary and F1 is frequency of modal class. F0 is frequency preceding the modal class. Preceding means upper one. F2 is frequency that succeeding the modal class. Succeeding is downward one. H is the size of the modal class. Based on this formula, we will do a problem. Now, the class intervals are 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. And the frequencies are 7, 8, 2, 2 and 1. Now, the F1 value is highest frequency is F1. The frequency preceding one is F0 and the frequency succeeding one is F2. And the L value, it is the modal class. So the L value becomes 3. L is equal to 3, F1 is equal to 8, F0 is equal to 7 and F2 is equal to 2 and H is equal to 2. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 by F into H. L is equal to 3. 3 plus 8 minus 7 by 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2 and height is 2. 3 plus 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 by 2 8s 16 minus 9 into 2. 3 plus 2, 16 minus 9 is 7. Now the LCM becomes 7. 21 plus 2 is 23 by 7. So the answer becomes 3.286. So the mode is 3.286. Till now I told you about trigonometry and statistics. Our exams begins from 8th. Learn them and score good marks in your exams. Bye friends.